My name is Bobby, and I work with small businesses in the government marketplace. You're listening to FedBiz 5. Get informed, get connected, and get results on everything government contracting. Hey everyone, welcome back to FedBiz 5, your 5-star guide to navigating the wild ride that is federal contracting. I'm your favorite host, Bobby Testa, your tour guide through the procurement jungle, and today we are diving into a new executive order that could flip the federal contracting game on its head. Executive Order 14240, eliminating waste and saving taxpayer dollars by consolidating government procurement. Translation: the White House just told Uncle Sam, put the credit card down, pal. Because let's face it, for years, our government's been shopping like it's got an unlimited tab on Amazon Prime Day, blowing through roughly $490 billion a year on common goods and services. That's about $1,500 per American. Paperclips, servers, consulting gigs, oh my. Today, we're unpacking what this means for you. The contractors, the hustlers, the firms trying to stay ahead. Whether you're riding the wave like a pro surfer or about to get wiped out by the undertow, buckle up. Let's get into it. All right, let's pop the hood on this thing. I like to call Executive Order 14240 the great federal closet cleanout. Uncle Sam's been hoarding to the tune of $490 billion every year on everything from ergonomic office chairs to cybersecurity software. That's like every American buying a high-end laptop and a stack of gold-plated paper clips every single year. And here's the kicker. Every agency's been doing its own shopping. 10 contract vehicles for the same server, 10 different prices for the same chair. It's like giving each room in your house a different Wi-Fi provider. Spoiler, the signal's still garbage and you're paying out the nose for it. Executive Order 14240 says enough already. The goal? Buy together, save together. GSA, Uncle Sam's designated bargain hunter, gets the keys to the procurement kingdom. Fewer redundancies, smarter buys, more savings. Bottom line, the era of you do you contracting, it's done. It's now one roof, one rule, one deal. And if you're not ready for that, you might be out in the cold. Now here's where the plot thickens. Executive Order 14240 puts GSA in the driver's seat. And this ain't a Sunday drive. Agencies have 60 days to cough up their list of common goods and services they'll hand over to GSA. GSA gets until June 18th of 2025 to sort through it all and say yay or nay. So translation, GSA is not just helping anymore. GSA is calling the shots. If you're a contractor cozy with an agency-specific IDIQ, now's the time to ask, is my favorite contract vehicle about to go the way of the fax machine? If the answer is yes, you need a GSA-friendly Plan B. Fast. Let's zoom in on IT because that's where things get really spicy. Executive Order 14240, it hands GSA the Silicon Scepter. SEWP, CIO-SP, all those beloved niche IT contract vehicles, they're on the chopping block. GSA's mission is to rationalize and standardize. So if you're selling hardware, SaaS, cybersecurity, or anything with a chip in it, GSA just became your new best friend or the biggest gatekeeper you'll ever meet. In short, GSA is about to become the Amazon marketplace of federal IT. Get your product listed or get left in the digital dust. Now, don't hit the panic button just yet, especially if you're a small business that can pivot on a dime. This could actually be your moment. Fewer contract vehicles equals fewer flaming hoops to jump through. Get on GSA's schedule now, and you're positioned as a one-stop shop for agencies nationwide. This also means less duplication, which also means pricing transparency. And that means that your sharp pricing and niche services can stand out. Agencies will have to justify every exception to GSA, so GSA becomes the new one-stop shop. In other words, smart, nimble small businesses, you can win big in the post-14240 world if you move fast. All right, theory's nice, but let's talk tactics. Executive Order 14240, it's like demo day at a construction site. The dust's flying, and you want to make sure that you're still standing when it settles. So here's the FedBiz 5 survival plan. Number 1, audit your contracts. Got IDIQs or BPAs in the crosshairs of consolidation? Know now or risk ending up in the clearance bin. Number 2, get GSA ready. Not on a GSA schedule? Change that. GSA is the new cool kids table, and you're going to want a seat. Number 3, sharpen your capability statement. Cut the fluff. Highlight your cost savings, efficiency, and value. This is about lean and mean. Number 4, engage early. GSA will be rolling out RFIs, industry days, and updates like they're going out of style. Be there and be loud. And number 5, build alliances. Being a sub on a GSA heavy prime could beat going it alone. Relationships will matter more than ever. Remember, Executive Order 14240, it's not about killing opportunities. It's about reshaping them. Be the contractor that adapts, and you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Executive Order 14240, it's not just a spring cleaning for Uncle Sam's procurement closet. It's a full-on top-to-bottom remodel. The bloated IDIQs, redundant contract vehicles, they're headed for the dumpster. And GSA, they're the new architect. Now, will every agency get on board? Doubtful. Old habits die hard. But the savings, the potential is massive. And the shakeup, it's real. So here's the real deal. It's not the biggest firms that'll win. It's not the oldest firms. It's the ones who can pivot fast, align with GSA, and show real value. Don't be the contractor left holding the bag or the pallet of unsold office chairs. Be the one who gets the call, who's on the schedule, who's ready when the dust settles. That's it for the FedBiz 5. I'm Bobby Testa, reminding you that in federal contracting, you either evolve or end up like the old projector in the storage closet, obsolete, dusty, and forgotten. Stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay tuned. Uncle Sam's cleaning house, and only the best tools make it back on the shelf. See you next time. Or in the clearance aisle. Thank you for listening to the FedBiz 5, where you get informed, get connected, and get results on everything government contracting. Today's podcast is made courtesy of FedBiz Access, government contracting made simple. Visit them at fedbizaccess.com, where you can find all of the FedBiz 5 podcasts, related blogs, government contracting news, and of course, information on the various products and services that can assist your business in becoming visible to the government buyers. FedBiz Access can be reached by calling them at 888-299-4498.